Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So I am gonna be doing today for you guys a Shein haul. I have a couple tops, crop tops, bodysuits, blouses that I really want to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got and my thoughts on everything, please go ahead and stay tuned. To subscribe if you haven't. Also, please remember to like the video if you've enjoyed it. I also have another channel called JAMAICAN that I'd love for you guys to check out, and also I have a bunch of videos on the channel, a bunch of playlists that you can probably find something that you like on the channel, so go ahead and check those out. My other channel called JAMAICAN, and my previous videos, all of those will be linked in the description so you guys can find them easily. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright you guys, if you've been following me for a little while or you've been watching my last couple of videos, you'd have been knowing that I was on the keto diet. I recently came off the keto diet, but I'm continuing to eat low carb. So I ordered these items maybe about 2 months ago, and since then I would have lost some weight. So I'm just trying to see how they look and share them with you. So if you guys are interested in any of the pieces that you see here today, I will also link them in the description as well, including the size and the price and all of that, just in case I don't remember to mention it in the video as we go along. Also, I do have on shorts, but you guys probably can't see, but I do have on shorts. And this actually was a short that I hauled in my last Old Navy haul. It actually was so tight for me, but like now it like full of space. So it's just a black high waist shorts from Old Navy. I'm going to link also that video in the description. So if you guys want to see what other shorts I got and what other things I got from Old Navy in that haul, you can find it easily there. So if this is the first haul that you're watching from me, I usually wear a size 12 or a size large in tops on Shein. I think the large actually equate to a US 8, 10. But I never really know that until usual. I just always follow small, medium, large. That's there. I never really look at the sizes. But yeah, I would say a pear shape, so I'm smaller on top and bigger at the bottom. So yeah, tops is not usually an issue for me. Just when it comes on to bottoms, usually that's an issue. So anyway, enough rambling. We're gonna get into the item. So the first item is this top. I actually already have it on. I feel like the browns and the nudes like are really trending, especially for what they call fall. We know something about Jamaica, so we not have no fall, like it's just hot all year round, all the time. But yeah, this is just a little crop top that I have on here, and it actually came in a 2-pack. I actually have the other color here. I'm going to try that on for you as well so you can see. And I'm also going to tell you what the name of it is. It's actually really comfortable. At first, when I took it out of the packaging, I was like, my head is not going to fit into this. It ain't going to fit. But the material is actually pretty stretchy, so I was able to like stretch it over my puff and everything to get it on for you guys. I really like it. I think it's cute. I actually think that these two colors, like black and nude brown, whatever color you want to call this, I think they actually look really nice together, and I feel like it's something that has been trending for a while now. So as I was saying, this is actually a 2-pack combo thing. Like if you go on Shein and search for tops, like basic tops and stuff, sometimes they will allow you to like get 2 tops in like a set. So this is the first color, and this one is called on Shein the 2-pack rib knit tank top. And I feel like it is a crop top. It is cropped, but obviously I have on high-waisted shorts, so it's not really showing my belly. But I mean, it's long enough. It's not like the crop tops that are literally underneath your breast, but it does have a little bit of space right here. So I did get this in a large, which is size 8, 10 on Shein. And the cost for the 2 of them was $7.16. So I'm gonna go ahead now and try on the other color for you so you guys can see how that color looks as well. So this is the other color. It is a more chocolate, it's a chocolate brown color. I also really love chocolate brown for the melanin girls, for the black girls. I love it. I think it looks really flattering. Like the shades of brown are like really trending and they look really nice against dark skin or black skin, whatever you want to call it. So this is the other one. This is also really cute. I'm really feeling it. It's very comfortable, very stretchy. The material to me is thick enough but not too thick where I feel like, okay, I can't wear it in Jamaica because it's really hot. But yeah, I think it's cute. This is what it looks like from the back. Yeah, I think it fits me well, and yeah, it's very comfortable. I have no complaints about these first two tops. This is the second top that I have here. It's a little bit different but a little bit cute. You guys know that the whole cutout or keyhole or asymmetric, that's a go on with itself. Like if you guys watched my previous Shein haul, you know, so we did have only asymmetrical or one shoulder blouse, not blouse, dress. And if you guys want to check out my previous Shein haul, I'm gonna leave it in the description also. So this is the next blouse, again in a size large. It's more of a spandexy swimsuit kind of material, but I think it's really cute. I think it's also really flattering as well. It is, I would say, it's not as cropped. It is a short top, but I wouldn't say it's a crop top. But I was able to just like tuck it into my shorts because it's much longer like than the other blouse that I had on earlier. It is a lot longer than the blouse I had on in the previous clip. So I just decided to tuck. You know me and the tucking, like I just feel like clothes just look so much better. You look so much more put together when you actually tuck your clothes. So that's why I have it tucked here. But I think it's cute. It's a cute blouse that you can wear with like jean shorts or whatever. You can even wear, I don't know, a blazer over it, or if you want to style it. But I thought this was just it's a simple top, but yet still it has a little pizzazz with the one shoulder going on. Let me just tell you guys the cost for it and the actual name of the blouse. So it's called the one shoulder cut out front top. So yeah, really cute. And I got it for $4.48, and I got it in a size large. Let me just turn the back so you guys can also see how it looks. So that's how it looks from behind. And you guys, please let me know which one of the tops is your favorite, or if you see yourself wearing any of these tops, please let me know down in the comments. So this is the third blouse. I really love the color. The color is just popping. It's so cute. It is another crop top that I did get in a size large as well, and it has a little cutout right here. I mean, you can make the cutout wider if you want to, but I'll probably just leave just a little bit of space right here. It's also not a very short crop top either. It does cover, like it could go down over like the top of my shorts if I wanted it to. But yeah, I think it's really cute and just simple. You can dress this up as well, you know, accessorize, wear nice like ripped jeans or something. You can wear this with anything. As I say, you guys, these were just basic tops. So this is the third one. This is what it looks like from the back. Yeah, I think it's cute. It would be a nice little summer top, even though it's still summer heat and summer weather right now in Jamaica. So yeah, I think I can get a lot of wear out of this. I think it's really cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. The name of this top is the Shein neon orange cutout detail cape sleeve. I guess the sleeve is kind of not really sleeveless, but it kind of has like a little cap sleeve, but maybe cape, I don't know. Yeah, so I got it in a size large and I paid $3.35 for this. I also want to remind you guys, please make sure when you're shopping on Shein that you use your points for orders that you have previously made. You get points every time you order, so make sure you use your points towards your next order. And also, everybody and their mother have Shein code on YouTube, so just type in Shein code. Or if there's somebody that you watch on YouTube that you'd like to support and they have a code, go ahead and put in their codes. Their codes are usually nothing less than 15% off your order. So please make sure you're using the codes. That's literally what I do, which is why the prices sound so low. So the prices I'm actually giving you now is how much I actually purchased them for, including like the discounts and the points and all of that. So Yeah, I paid $3 for this blouse, and I mean, you can't beat it. Like, I feel like Shein just around the place, it literally took over the place. So yeah, this is top number 3. So this is the 4th top. It's also another crop top. Surprise, surprise. If you guys follow me on Instagram, and please follow me at just Devi Marie, you guys would know that I love yellow. I think yellow is just so lovely on melanin. Like, it's just so beautiful, man. It's popping. So I love yellow. This crop top is a lot shorter than the other two that I would have shown you. I think you can wear it off the shoulder, or you can wear it on the shoulder if you want, but I think I am gonna wear it off the shoulder. I think it works either way, just depending on the style that you're going for. The material is so soft, like it is so soft, and it is thick. I don't think so far what I would have tried on, because you know sometimes Shein material can be hit or miss. I think the blouses that I've tried on so far have been good. Like, they have been actually good, and of course they're very reasonable. I don't think I bought anything over $10 in terms of the blouses. So yeah, cheap and clean Shein. So this is the blouse, and it has a little tie here. You can untie this tie and tie it however you want to wear it. And I just think the detail here at the bust is also pretty cute. It's a really like ditzy cute top. I feel like this with some nice earrings, with my nice high puff, with my edges laid, with a nice high waist white pants, with my project, with a nice little, you know, bag and stuff. I think it looks so cute. So I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this, but I just make sure I say I have an high waist enough pants, so that too much of my belly is not showing, because this is not there yet with the belly, with the flat belly. But we're working on it and we're getting there. Let me just turn around and show you guys from the back what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Guys, literally there I pose for Una and I go on for Una. I can't believe how my pants literally, like, I did this video a couple months ago on the shorts, and I can't believe how much space is in the shorts. Like, legit, that's crazy. Anyway, let me tell you guys what the price is and the actual name of the item on Shein. If you guys want to search, as I said, I put everything in the description. But just for your knowledge, it's called the Shein puff sleeve knot front crop tee, and I got this one for $3.35 in a size large. So this is the other blouse. Love it. Let me know what you guys think of this one. This is the 5th blouse, another crop top. Yes, people, I love the crop top. I think this is also cute, but this one is really tight. I don't know if you guys think it looks tight, but it is a little bit tight. But I feel like this is one of the blouses where once you wear it a couple times, hopefully, like, you know, it will work out. But it's another cute blouse. It does have a tie at the bottom here. It is off the shoulder. I'm loving the red. I'm loving the ruching detail right here as well. It's not a material that stretches a lot. You guys know that I have very fat arms. My arms just about made it in this. Like, I had to struggle. Like, I had to pause and like be like, babe, please help me in this clothes, because I can't do it by myself. But we got it on. So I think it is cute. Yeah, just cute tops, people. That's what I was really going for. I mean, we're still locked up in the house, not going nowhere, bored. Well, I'm not bored in the house. I don't mind being in the house, but what I really am gonna wear. But you know, just in case somebody want to invite me out, you know, me and my husband want to go out, you know, I have a little something to put on. You know, Christmas is coming up. I ain't buying no more clothes because between this haul and the last Shein haul and my old Navy haul, I ain't need no more clothes. So yeah, this is the next blouse. Let me turn the back so you guys can see what the back is looking like. Yeah, it's a little tight. It's a little tight for me. Let me just tell you guys the price. As I said before, this top was I got it in a size large. I just want to tell you the exact name of it as usual. So this top is called the off the shoulder frill trim drawstring front blouse, and I actually got this for $7.16. I'm thinking about it now and I'm like, this should have been like a $5 blouse or a $3 blouse. Like, it doesn't have any stretch because of the type of material. Again, not a bad type of material, it just is not a stretchy material. So maybe if I had gone up to like the extra large, it would have fit more comfortably. But maybe I can still rock it. I'm gonna let me know in the comments if I feel like I can still wear this or what. Like, just let me know. We're soon done. I know it's like what if I clothes, it's not a lot of clothes, okay? It's not a lot of clothes. Alright, so this is the next blouse. This is the next one where I almost never make it. I know I got this in a size large as well. It has a zip at the side. Another one that I had to ask hubby to help me get into because them little, what you call it, satin sheer kind of material here don't have no stretch. So that was my first red flag. So they have a force in these people, honestly. But I think it's a cute color. I think the top is really cute. You know, you're going out for brunch and you just want dress casual but still kind of dressy in a way. You can wear a blouse like this. You know, so the big bell sleeve, baggy sleeve is wearing. So cute. I do like how right here fits in terms of how, well, not really how it fits because it is tight. But I do like the style of the front of the blouse. I think it's cute. It almost gives you like a corset kind of vibe right here. So it really cinches you in. Thank God it had a zip because I would not have been able to get into it. I think you can also wear this one on the shoulder or off the shoulder. I think it looks better on the shoulder. Let me show you guys how it looks off the shoulder because like when it's off the shoulder, it looks a bit baggy. I feel like it's falling too low. But you guys can tell me which way you prefer it, whether off the shoulder or on the shoulder. But I think this is on the shoulder just because if you look at the back as well, this is how it looks from the back. If it's off the shoulder, like it looks like your clothes are drop off. So I think it's supposed to be on the shoulder. Let me just pull it up. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be on the shoulder. I'm not doing a good job at this, but yeah. I think it's supposed to be on the shoulder. So yeah, instead of having the back just dropping down and gaping, I think this is actually how it's supposed to fit. I bought this a long time ago, so I don't even remember how it looks on the model. But anyway, this is, we're almost done. This is the other blouse. I think it's cute. Let me know if this one is your favorite. Let me know all your comments in the comment box below. The name of this blouse is the clip dot because it does have some dots here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does have some dots right there. It's called the clip dot ruffled balloon sleeve crop top. Yeah, this is supposed to wear on the sleeve. I'm just looking back at the picture and realizing, yeah, it's supposed to wear on the sleeve, not on the shoulder, I mean, not off the shoulder. Yeah, so I got this in a size large and I got this for $7.92. So listen people, I don't buy not one thing over $10. No man, no miss, no. And this all wasn't one order. This was between I think 2 orders. So I got all these tops. But yeah, but just I get a chance to show you now. So yeah, that was the cost for this top. This is the last top, you guys. It is actually a bodysuit. So I left this one for last on purpose because I know that I'd have to like derobe in order to put this on. So this is a bodysuit. It's orange and white or peach and white. And it is one shoulder or asymmetrical, whatever you want to call it. I think it's one shoulder name. So it's one shoulder. It actually has 3 clasps. The material again is really good, nice cotton comfortable material, breathable material. This is a size large as usual, and I think it's pretty comfortable. It feels good. I know sometimes when you get bodysuits, especially if you are on the taller size, and just for you guys to note, I am 5'7" or 5'8", one of the two. Sometimes when I get bodysuits, it's almost like you have to be reaching, like it's almost like you can't meet, and then when it finally meets and catch, it's like it's all up in your grill, if you know what I mean. But this is very comfortable. I feel like it had enough space. Definitely tall girl friendly. If you're tall, if you're my height or maybe a little bit shorter or a little bit taller, then this will definitely work for you. Another just simple, nice little blouse. If you're up on the road or if you're going out to a little lunch date, boom bang one two. Yeah, this is really, really, really cute. Before I forget, the cost of this top was $5.37. As I said, I got it in a size large, Shein size large. And the name of it is one shoulder tie-dye rib knit bodysuit. So yeah, it is rib knit, nice girl bodysuit. Now I did get a few accessories that I wanted to show you guys. I totally forgot that I did get some accessories, but yeah, it's just a few little things. And I'm not even going to show you all the accessories either. I'm just gonna show you just a few of them. So the first one that I got is just a little purse. Yeah, it's just a little purse, a little crossbody purse, a chain purse. It is, what are you gonna call this now? It's one be like the bamboo kind of style of material. It's a nice little size. The handle is not adjustable, but this is how it looks on me. Hopefully you guys can see that, but yeah, this is it. It's cute. I didn't have a nude purse, and this I can wear like when I'm wearing my gold rose bridgets. I can wear this purse with it. So I just wanted something simple, nude, that would match my gold bridgets. And the name of this bag was a Tassel Decor chain straw bag, and Shein has a lot of cute stuff like affordable little purses. It does have a tassel on the zip, and this was $5.37. So cute. I did also get this chain set. How am I gonna show you this now? I haven't worn it yet because I'm telling already so I'm not gonna wear. But this is just a little chain set. I have bought a chain set from Shein before, but it kind of changed color, and I mean they're so cheap anyway, so why not? So it's a layered necklace. Don't know if you guys can see that well, but it's a layered necklace. It has three chains on it. So a long one with this little thing here. I know it's one chain, but you know, I just wanted on that size and I thought it was cute. And then it has this other layer here, and then it has the shortest layer here. Just something simple and cute. Let me tell you guys the price. I think it was like really cheap. This was $1.80. Like literally so cute and so cheap. It is called the Geometric Charm Layered Necklace. So that's what that is. So I also got this other clutch bag. This green is just giving. I love this color green. It's called the Emery Rose Embossed Clutch Bag, and I got this for $4.18. This is what it looks like. It's pretty big. If you want to see what size this is beside my head, this is pretty big. It can hold a lot, and it just has this like ankle wristlet thingamajig that can be detached. It is detachable, and it just zips like that. It has a lot of space in there, but it doesn't have like any extra pocket or anything like that. So definitely can hold more than your purse and your phone and your lip gloss, maybe something else. And it is like embossed, so it has this kind of patent or like shiny kind of feel. So I did also get this clutch. So that is the end of my Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't. Please remember to tell me which one on the blouse is the favorite, is your favorite. If you think some of the ones that were tight, that I felt were tight, can work, let me know in the comments. Please let me know if you like shopping on Shein. What are your thoughts about shopping on Shein? Sometimes I hear people say different things, so let me know what are your thoughts. I want to remind you guys as well to check out the previous video on my channel, my other channel called JAMAICAN, my playlist, all the links for everything. I want to talk about every video we mention, every item that I showed you guys today will be in the description, so be sure to check out the description for all the details. I want to thank you again so much guys for rocking with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.